Hi guys, this is gsn.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. Yes, indeed we have it. It's been launched just a few weeks ago, so it's fresher than fresh, and we have here the 5.99-inch handset in the 4GB RAM version. There's also a 3GB RAM version out there. Just so you know, the price tag is only $199 on gearbest.com, one of the most affordable offers out there for the 4GB RAM phablet, which shows an 18:9 aspect ratio this time around. This is the start of the unboxing, the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. From the back side, it kind of reminds me of the Xiaomi Mi A1. From the front side, feels like a bit of a throwback to the Huawei Mate 10 Lite or maybe the LG Q6. It's quite big, it's metallic, it feels nice in the hand, and its color choices include black, blue and golden, and there's supposed to be also a pink version out there. Beautiful red box, and let's see what's inside this box. So here we should have the manual, but wait, there's an extra. So indeed you get the manual of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus and also a case. It's a gray case, it's semi-transparent and flexible and should protect the back of the phone and also the sides. Big cutout for the camera and fingerprint scanner. And here inside the box we also have a small little tiny charger which promises 5V to ampere charging and may require an adapter in some countries. We proceed with the cable. It's of the micro USB to full USB variety. No love for USB Type-C this time around. And here in the box we have a metal key used to access the slots, pretty similar to the key that comes with an iPhone. Okay, that's about it. Let's fire up the phone and see what MIUI 9 is all about. So Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. It's a 5.99-inch phone. It measures 8.1mm in thickness, which makes it slimmer than the Galaxy S9, and also weighs 180 grams, which is not bad for an almost 6-incher. It's about on par with a Bluetooth S1 weight-wise. Metal body, 2.5D glass panel at the front, fingerprint scanner at the back side below the main camera, which is a singular camera, something you don't see every day nowadays. We got an 18:9 aspect screen, 5.99-inch IPS LCD, Full HD Plus, and inside the famous Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor. The setup has started. I'm loving the minimalism of MIUI 9. Okay, selecting a region from a hefty amount of countries. Okay, skip, agree, skip. Nope. No password here. Additional settings and theme. I'm going to let the default one, and the setup is complete. Quite fast, I have to say. Now, as I said before, the specs include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor, also 3 or 4 GB of RAM, and 32 or 64 GB of storage. There is also a micro SD card slot, and it's a hybrid sort, so you can either use a SIM card or you can use a micro SD. At the back side we have a 12-megapixel camera, singular camera, dual LED flash, and bigger than usual pixels, which reminds me of the ultra pixel technology from HTC. Face detection autofocus, and guess what? 4K video capture is also on the table. At the front there is a 5-megapixel camera for your selfies, and that one is able to shoot full HD video from what I know. Okay, so the battery sounds pretty impressive in my view, 4000 mAh, and I can already spoil the fact, like a spoiler, that it's excellent when it comes to the continuous usage and video playback. You'll learn more about that when it's time for the full review. In the meantime, I'm trying to get accustomed with this MIUI 9, not very familiar with it. Doesn't seem to have changed a lot. It feels slightly more elegant and more chic. That's my first impression. We're running on top of Android Nougat. I still have a Mi remote feature, which can mean only one thing. There is an infrared emitter here to control your TV set-top box, your air conditioner and so forth. 2 grills at the bottom, micro USB port, and I'm curious about the camera UI. Okay, press here. Voila. Minimalistic for sure. Options include audio, beautify, tilt shift, timer, straighten, scene, panorama, manual, and HHD, which is basically a night mode. And we have HDR and also the option to take selfies, and extra options and settings here. Location, pocket mode, That's new and that's useful. Scan QR codes, picture quality, face detection, anti-banding, and so forth. So this has been the first contact with the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. We've unboxed it. It's priced at just $199 on gearbest.com. The screen seems pretty immersive and bright. Looking forward to testing the camera, and I can already tell you that the battery sounds excellent. This is from gsn.com. Bye bye.